What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm back again with another computer video. I wanted to show you how to purchase this beautiful new Surron Ultra Bee off AliBaba. Now yes, you can get it from some dealers online. I believe the price currently in the United States is $6,499, not including tax, whatever state you're in. But if you get this on AliBaba, then you save yourself about $1,000 or so. So let's jump into it and head over to AliBaba. For this, you're gonna want AliBaba.com and not AliExpress. AliExpress is like the Amazon version of AliBaba, and you get faster shipping times, hence the name Express. But you do pay a premium for that, and I wouldn't do it. So just head over to AliBaba.com. Once you're at AliBaba.com, head over to the search and just type in Surron Ultra, and some listings will pop up. Now, same goes to my video on how to purchase the Stealth Bomber clone. We're gonna follow the same rules, but a little different this time. So we're gonna look at manufacturer's years, how many years they've been on AliBaba. In this guy's case, it's 3 years, and hopefully they're verified. If you find a verified one, that's better, but if they're not verified, that doesn't mean that they're a bad seller. Again, let's do some research. So I already see a listing right here. Let's right click and open in a new tab, but keep on scrolling down and see what else we find. Here's another guy right here. By the way, this MOQ stands for minimum order quantity. So 1 piece, that's kind of what we want. Ready to ship, that's good. We'll open that. This guy's been on here for a year, so we'll skip it for now. This guy wants an order of 2 minimum, so we'll skip. We'll open this guy as well. See what else we find here. Scroll down. 2 piece, no good. Here we got a verified seller, so that's pretty nice. So let's open that in a new tab as well. So that's enough for now. Let's see what we opened up so far. So 5 buyers already. They want $5,000, which is a little on the expensive side. We're not sure what the shipping is, but you can negotiate that. You could just hit chat now and talk to them. They've been 3 years on AliBaba. Let's see what the next one is. So here the price is a lot better, $44.50. And they're already telling us what they want to charge for shipping, which is actually in nowadays, as of March 2023, is not that bad. Still negotiable, but not that bad. Your total price will be $53.50. So you're saving yourself about $1,500 right there. Now, they have 83 transactions, $70,000 plus of sales they did, 96.6 on-time delivery, 3 years on AliBaba. Not bad so far. This is a good option. Let's go to the next one. $48.69. We're not sure how much they charge for shipping. Again, you can chat and talk to them. They have been 1 year on AliBaba, and they already made $220,000 in sales, 142 transactions. It's a lot of money, but we'll keep them on the side. Let's go to the next guy. $4,099. But this is a verified supplier, which is a really good sign. Online revenue almost $500,000. And they've been on AliBaba for 2 years. That's pretty good. This is a good option right here, even though this price is a little better. This guy's not bad at all. I like the fact that it's verified. So I would definitely contact them, chat now, and ask and see what they charge for shipping. And again, you can negotiate that. Be a little tough with them. It's okay to be a little tough. So right now, I will put this guy on. I would delete this guy, and same with Joy Bikes. I would delete it. These right here look like 2 very good options. I like the fact that they show what they charge for shipping, but still you want to contact the supplier and talk to them. You don't just want to add it to cart and just buy it like that. That's how people kind of have a bad experience with AliBaba. So you definitely want to talk to these people. Ask them to send some pictures. I mean, this is an Ultra Bee. You're not going to get something else. And it's ready to ship, in stock. These right here would be my options, my go-to listings that I would contact the seller for and ask for pictures. definitely contact them and chat now. Say hello, I'm interested in this bike. If you could do a better deal for me, how much you charge for shipping. They'll ask for your address. You can give them your address. It's a pretty straightforward process. Again, like I said, the fact that they're verified is really, really good. I really like that. But I would hit up these two manufacturers or sellers and see what they offer, what the best deal that you can get out of them. You can go and look around a little more and see if you can find something else. You might find a better one, but the ones that we just found seem like two legit ones. I would cut this. These are really good ones. Now, again, I'm not going to provide a link. I want you guys to do your own research. I'm not taking any responsibility, but this is the way to get it from AliBaba. This is the best way. Now, again, I mentioned it before and I'll say it again. You don't just want to go on here and select what you want and buy now. You don't want to do that. You definitely want to chat now, talk to them, ask for some pictures, that if they can send you some pictures of the product. Ask for shipping, which is negotiable, by the way, so don't just go for the first price they tell you. Negotiate a little bit. They are tough, but they're, at the end of the day, they want to do business. So it's a definitely cool way to get this bike. Now, you might have to wait a month or two before it arrives, but you'll be saving at least $1,000, if not $1,500, going around this way. But again, I'm not making any commission off this stuff. I just really want to help you guys out, show you other methods. Some of these dealers over here, all they do is go on here and purchase more sets so they get a better deal. That's how this game works. Again, wanted to make this a short little video to show you that this is possible if you're interested in getting this bike. And that's just another way of getting it. But I hope this helps to whoever is interested in this. I know some guys have ordered from AliBaba on the Surron group, and they got their bikes. So I've ordered from AliBaba before. I had no issues. So hopefully this helps you guys. And if it did, definitely make sure to leave a thumbs up. Support the channel by subscribing. That's the only way to let me know I'm doing a good job. And if you end up getting one of these bikes, leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!